How to connect your Samsung Galaxy A34 smartphone to a Samsung Smart TV using the Smart View feature. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do on your Galaxy A34 smartphone is find the Smart View toggle, which you'll have to pull down the quick panel access and look for what is known as Smart View. That one right there, okay? It's going to say Smart View. So go ahead and long press it, and it'll take you right here. It's going to start searching for nearby wireless capable devices, and you will see the name of your Samsung TV here. Tap on it once and press start now. As you do that, you'll see the required pin. You'll look on your smart TV screen here. You'll see the pin, and you'll have to input those 4 digits right where it says type in required pin. So go ahead and do that, and you got to be quick about it. Press accept. It's going to say connecting. You'll see that it's processing for you, and you'll see that it will start the screen sharing on your smart TV. Okay. Now, if this doesn't work the first time, be sure to restart your phone and try it again. Also, turn on the auto rotate on your phone so that when you go into landscape view mode on your phone, it will also show up on your smart TV to get the full screen action. All right. And of course, if this guide was helpful in any way, don't forget to like and sub. Also, if it didn't connect the first time, check to see if your smart TV needs any update, as sometimes that just might be the case. And tapping on that icon here will allow you to disconnect or change the aspect ratio. Like and sub.